The open and close process of Microsoft Excel is just as similar as to any other software. You can see in Microsoft Excel you also have the option available inside the Office button. You have the open and close option available over here. You can see in this area there are the recently accessed documents of Excel. Now you can see the product list available over here, which I recently accessed. So the recently accessed documents come in this area. You also have the close option over here, this and this. If you want to close the entire application, you can click over here. If you only want to close the Excel workbook, you can click over here. So I simply click over here. You can see the workbook now is closed. You can access them again by clicking on the recent documents. Okay, now you can go to open, and the product list that I recently accessed is available over here. You can also locate the file where you have saved. You can access it in the desktop or any of the folder, etc., where you have saved that file. As of now it is in the downloads file, and I will simply select that file and click on open, and the product list is available for me over here. So now I want to close this file, but before that we make a minute change. We'll do a normal editing over here, and then we try to close it. So if I try to close it, I will get a pop-up stating that do you want to save the changes that you made in the product list. If I want to make the change, I will click on yes. If I don't want to make that change, I simply click on no. As of now we want to make the changes, and we will simply click on yes, and that file is closed now. So this was all about open and close of Excel. Now we will check out how to rename and delete the Excel document. The rename and delete process can be just similar as you do by simply opening the folder, selecting the file, right clicking on it and clicking on rename or delete. But you can also do this from the Excel itself. You can just open that file, like take for suppose this is the product list and I want to rename this. So you can also rename it by clicking on save as, and click on save as, and we will rename here as product list 2 and save it. So now it has converted into product list 2, and you can see there are two files available over there, same file with two names. You can also right click and click on rename to rename that file. So we close that file, and if you want to delete it, you just open and select that file, right click and click on delete, and the file is gone. So in this way you can follow the process of rename and delete from Excel itself. And we move on to our next tutorial.